Hello all, welcome to Code Chef Starters 162. We are solving problem adjacent sum array. So in this problem, Chef had an array A of length n of positive integers. He calculated another array B of size n minus 1 integers where bi is equal to ai plus 1. So let us suppose if you have any element 1, 2, 3 and 4. What I'll do is if I take the sum of the consecutive two elements, so 1 plus 2 that is 3. Then I have 2 plus 3, I have 5. Then 3 plus 4, I have 7. So it will always be one less size. That is why B have size n minus 1. Now they are given that also given example 2, 5, 4 and B is this is how he got B 7 and 9. But unfortunately, Chef has forgotten the array A and the elements in his sequence B have been shuffled. Given the shuffled sequence, predict the original array. If multiple answer exists, all will be accepted. It is guaranteed that the input data is generated in such a way that a valid array A always exists. Okay, so what it is said that now we don't have A, we have this B array which is n minus 1 size and it is shuffled. It is not in this order, it is now shuffled. So 3, 5, 7, it might be like 7, 5 and 3. Okay, now we need to predict the initial array that we had. Okay, and if you see the constraint are pretty large. So what to do? Initial thought process, like first sort whatever b value we have. So after sorting it will become 3, 5 and 7. Okay, what I'll do is I will break my first element into two halves. So what I'll do, 3 by 2, 3 by 2 is 1 and 2. If it's even, it will be both the equals. If not, one will be obviously one less. If 5 break down into 2, 2 and 3, that is why first element I'm making it 1, another element 2. I will check with my 5 that 5 minus 2 will be 3. So this element will be 2. Now 5 minus 2 is 3. Now previous is 3. So 7 minus 3, it will be 4. So it was pretty simple, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us try with some different and numbers. Let's say 6, 2, 12 and 9. Okay. Now let us see. We will get B as 8, 14 and this will be 21. Okay. Now if we sort it, we become 8, 21 and 25. Starting, I will get 4 and 4. Then 21 minus 4, it is 17, 17 and 8. Okay, this is also one valid A solution. It is not necessary we will land dipped where we started, but we'll check that 4 plus 4 is 8, 17 plus 4 is 21, 17 plus 8 is 25. And if we put it in the same order, it is shuffled, so we can get it. So it's not necessarily we will go back from where we started by following this approach. There are many other ways, but this is how I'm approaching this problem because they have said that there are multiple answers that will be existing and any of them will be fine. So what I'm doing is basically I'm taking the number n, taking n minus 1, taking the b array of size n minus 1, sorting the b, initially starting with b of 0 and b of 0 by 2 stored in a1 and a2, checking that if my b0 modulus 2 is odd, that is why that I explained to you that if I have 7 divided by 3 it will be 3, but another number should be 4, that is why a2 getting plus plus. Printing the first element, iterating the array from 1, subtracting the bith element minus 2, the second element that we got, we will print the second element and update the second element to the difference of current element minus the second element that we'll be getting, and updating that subsequently, and we'll printing that answer. After we are done, we will simply return my final answer, that is a2, because it was being updated here, and the size will be n minus 1 plus 1 because initial array is of size n. So yeah, that is all we have to do in this problem. If you have any query, do comment it out, and if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe for more daily content. Thank you. Bye.